vividly remember walking into the Korean Cultural Center on a Tuesday in February 2023. I never thought I would fall in love with a culture that is not mine, but that's exactly what happened when I discovered Korean culture. And in this documentary, I'd like to share my experience and how Korean culture has impacted my life. I know this might sound cliche, but it all started with K-pop. I attended K-pop Dance Academy in 2023, and I was immediately drawn to the melodious sounds and synchronized choreography and captivating visuals. But most importantly, I was pushed to do something that I thought I didn't have the ability to do, to dance. Korean cuisine has become quite a staple in my life, and eating Korean meal for the first time, and I was like, where have you been all my life? Its healthy ingredients and cooking methods have become a part of my life to lead a healthy lifestyle. And it's also a way for me to connect with the heritage and the culture. Korean language is such a captivating language, and learning this language so far has been quite challenging and at the same time rewarding. Not only has it allowed me to have a better understanding and appreciation for the culture itself, it has also made me understand or realize that I can actually learn a new language even as an adult. While exploring the Korean culture, I have also started to create content around it as a Hallyu creator, and not only has this honed my skills over time, it has allowed me to share my passion and also connect with like-minded people across the world. Korean culture has impacted my life in one of the most unexpected ways. It has taught me about resilience, community, and the importance of preserving heritage. But most of all, it has given me a sense of connection to a culture and people that I thought I would never be a part of. And for this, I am utterly grateful, and I look forward to continuing to explore and share the beauty of Korean culture to the others.